Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Rather than looking at a specific application state, I thought I'd go a little bit deeper into a feature of macOS that I use without thinking in so many of the Mac-based screencasts that I do for Screencasts Online. Yeah, I've pretty much taken it for granted and just assumed it's always there and does one thing, and that's Quick Look. Now, the Quick Look functionality allows you to select a file in Finder, press the spacebar, and it pops up a window for you that previews the contents of the file. Now, on its own, it's really useful to have, but you can do a lot more with Quick Look than just see that preview. Okay, so here we have a Finder window with a few files that we're going to take a look at over the course of this video. Now, to quick look a file, simply click on the file that you'd like to preview, then press space. And a preview of the file opens and we can see Simba, the Garrett Cavapuchon, seemingly very happy in a biscuit pattern shopping bag. So it's great for previewing image files, of course, but there is more. So what can we see? Well, we can close this preview by clicking the cross in the far left, or we could press space again to do the same thing. Then we can put the quick look into full screen mode with these arrows here. The name of the file is, of course, to the right of that. And then certain image files will have an information button, and that's all dependent on the content that's contained within them. So this is clearly an image of a dog and a certain type of dog, although it may be a bit difficult to tell exactly which one it is, seeing as half of him is covered in a bag. However, if I click this button, another window appears with information that may be relevant to the image. There's a lovely little paw icon down here. And then up here, we can see the name of the breed that macOS thinks is relevant. No, it's not, but it's very close. I can see what it's doing. Then you can click a link here to be taken to a Wikipedia article on it. And then also, just in case it isn't a cockapoo, which it isn't, there's another option here. It thinks it could be a multi-poo, which is definitely a very interesting name. And then on the far right, we've got some similar web images here as well. They're all pretty cute, and you can double click on one of them to be taken to the source page for that image, if it's of use to you, which it isn't for us here. So I'm going to close this. And I'm actually going to close this quick look here by pressing space again. And I'm going to come to a different image this time and press space.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.